Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll discuss why the portable humidifier is leaking from the bottom and how to solve this problem. Let's get started. A portable humidifier can leak from the bottom and permanently damage your flooring or anything around the leak, even causing mold growth. It is imperative to address the issue as soon as you detect it. The following are some of the common causes of a leaking humidifier from the bottom. The water tank is not attached properly. To use most portable humidifiers, you must remove the tank, fill it with water, and attach it to the base. The water tank then produces vapors that go into the air to increase humidity. If you fail to watch the water tank properly, it may cause leaking. Faulty sealing. The gasket or seal of a portable humidifier water is found in the humidifier cap between the base and the water tank. It anchors the water tank and enables it to fit well. However, if you've been using a portable humidifier for a while, the sealing begins losing its elasticity, leading to leakage. Overfilling the water tank. A portable humidifier has a maximum capacity that should not be exceeded. If you overfill the water tank, it may leak at the bottom, since this puts pressure on the unit's components. Improper draining. This unit may also leak when the drainage hole located at the bottom of the water tank gets clogged. The clogging leads to water buildup in the tank. Mineral buildup. The type of water you use in the portable humidifier can also affect how it functions. For instance, using hard water leads to the accumulation of minerals that may negatively affect its components, which in turn can cause the leakage. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix a leaking portable humidifier. Adjust the water tank. If you did not attach the water tank correctly, please follow these steps. Switch off the humidifier. Unplug the humidifier. Once it is cool, remove the water tank. Then attach it properly. The user manual can guide you on how to attach it properly. Replace the seal. Examine the seal to find out if it's worn out or cracked. If this is the case, consider replacing it with a new one. Ensure you also get a seal that is compatible with your unit. Check the max line on the water tank. If you do not know how much water to add to the portable humidifier, check the max line. Checking the max line can prevent you from overfilling it, causing the leak. Unclog the drainage hole. If the drainage hole is clogged, you can unclog it by cleaning it using a cotton swab. Dip the cotton swab in vinegar, then remove any grime that may have accumulated in the drainage. Clean the humidifier. Cleaning the humidifier prevents the accumulation of minerals in the water tank. If you use a portable humidifier regularly, you should clean it a few times a week to enhance its longevity and prevent leaks. Thanks for watching.